All right, everybody, we have made it to our last math lesson for the year. Can you believe it? We definitely did not get through the whole book. So we got as far as we could. So next school year, I'm not sure what that will look like, but you will probably have to review some of the things that you missed and learn some of those things. But we'll not worry about that right now. We are going to look at lesson 6. So I need you to be on page 729. Today we are going to convert customary units of weight. So a few days ago we went over ounces, pounds, and tons and what that looked like. So today we're going to actually convert one weight to another. So look at the top of page 729. And it says, recall that to convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. So for example, if you're going from 1 pound, which is the larger unit is the pound, to ounces, ounces are a smaller unit, you multiply by 16. Okay, because there are 16 ounces in a pound. That's a key number that you will need to know for this lesson, 16 ounces in 1 pound. All right, so let's use that info for example 1. It says Lee needs to buy 4 pounds of vegetable burger patties. So that's important. I want you to underline it or star it or highlight it. So 4 pounds of vegetable burger patties. The table shows the number of ounces in each package of patties. How many packages will Lee need to buy? Okay. So this column right here, this is the number of packages. So 1 package would be 32 ounces. 2 packages, 64 ounces. 3 packages would be 96 ounces. 4 packages would be 128 ounces. So we need to convert 4 pounds into ounces. That's our first step, okay? To figure out how many packages she will need to buy. We need to know the ounces. On this chart, it does not say anything about pounds. So because pounds are larger than ounces, we multiply. So there are 16 ounces in a pound, so we take 16 times 4. You guys have this written out on the side, on the next slide. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Take 16 times 4. Let's solve that math problem over here. 6 times 4, 24. Then we multiply 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 2, 6. Okay, so 4 times 16 is 64 ounces. So 4 pounds is the same as 64 ounces. So now we need to go back to that chart. We need to find 64 ounces. And how many packages will she need to buy? She will need to buy 2 packages. Okay, turn the page. Before we start example 2, you need to know that a ton is a very heavy unit of measurement. You need to know this. There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. So we need to use the table to find how many pounds a Stegosaurus weighed. So let's find how many tons the Stegosaurus weighed, which is 3 tons. But I need to convert it to pounds. So I'm going from tons to pounds, larger to smaller. So we need to multiply by 2,000. All right, so 3 times 2,000. Remember our little trick for this. 3 times 2 is 6, and then how many zeros? 3. So a Stegosaurus weighs 6,000 pounds. So again, to reiterate, 16 ounces in 1 pound, 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Let's go to guided practice. We have 2 guided practice problems. Let's look at the conversion table. We're going from pounds to ounces. How many ounces are in a pound? Good, 16. So we're going to take this column here times 16. All right. And then you're going to put your answers here, and then you're going to put your pounds, comma, ounces in parentheses. So I want you to go through and fill it out. If you don't know, you can line it up. The first one you should know because it's right here. 16 times 2 is 32. Then take it times 3, times 4, and times 5. Give you a few minutes to complete the chart and then we will check it. Okay, let's go through 48, 64, and 80, and then you have them in parentheses there. Okay, let's go to number 2. We have tons, which is our larger unit, to pounds, which is our smaller unit. Again, how many pounds are in 1 ton? Good, 2,000. So we're going to take this column times 2,000. These you should be able to do mentally in your head with our little trick. So 2 times 2,000, 2 times 2 is 4, so it's 4,000 pounds. Go ahead and complete this table. Don't forget to put them in parentheses here. We will check in a minute. All right, let's check it. So we have 4 would be 8,000 pounds, 6 tons, 12,000, 8 tons, 16,000. And that is what you will need to know in order to complete the independent practice. So remember those 2 conversions, 16 ounces in a pound, 2,000 pounds in a ton. If you are orange, you will do numbers 3 through 11 odd, and then 14 and 15. Blue, you will do 4, then 6 through 16. Green, you will do 4, then 9 through 17. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything.